Disconnected spreadsheets, outdated assumptions, plans that break the moment something changes. In a fast-moving global economy, static planning isn't enough. With SAP solutions, you can bring financial planning and analysis into the flow of your business with AI agents, real-time ERP data, and external insights. No more starting from scratch, just always-on plans that evolve with your operations automatically. You can model any scenario, simulate what's next, and combine financial and sustainability metrics in one stress-tested plan, all based on internal and external data. Plan smarter, pivot faster, act with clarity. From boardroom strategy to frontline execution with SAP solutions for financial planning and analysis, designed for change and built for impact.